How do scientists detect exoplanets? Most exoplanets are not detected by seeing them directly. They're actually found by the effects that they have on their host star. The most successful method is called the transiting method. When a planet comes between its host star and us, the observer, the light that we measure coming from that star gets dimmed by a very small amount. But if this happens regularly, then it can be a clue that there's a planet orbiting it. How much it dips can tell us about the planet's size. Another major method used is radial velocity. As is the case with our planets here and our Sun, a planet does not simply orbit a stationary star. They both orbit the center of mass between them. Compared to the planet, the star's motion is very small, but we can detect it in what we call its spectrum. When that star moves slightly towards us, its light shifts towards shorter wavelengths. And when it moves away, the light shifts towards longer wavelengths. This repeating motion is what we refer to as Doppler shifting, and it tells us that the star is wobbling, and that wobble can reveal the planet's mass and its orbit. But there are other methods as well. Direct imaging attempts try to block out the star's own light and detect the planet's light while it orbits around it. But so far this seems to work best for young planets that are still pretty far away from their host star. Another method is called microlensing, and it uses a special effect from gravity. If one star system passes in front of another one from our viewpoint, its gravity can magnify the background star's light, and a planet can add a brief extra signal. There's also a method that we call astrometry, which measures a star's side-by-side motion as it moves across the sky, and it's thought that this happens because of a planet orbiting it. So in reality, exoplanet detection is mostly through indirect measurements. The presence of a planet around another star changes its brightness, its orbit, or even the way that it moves across our sky from our viewpoint. Astronomers are always looking for these indirect signatures, and they're paying very close attention to how often it repeats and how regular it might be.